The Hippocratic Oath is what all doctors have to take. It's do no harm.
Nailed it. That's a little fun fact I have on my sheet.
Oh, really? All right.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty. And we are here today at the world-famous Brea Tar Pits. We know the people here are interested in learning about history, but let's see if they're interested in learning about their health. What's your name, sir? Where are you from?
Tyler, and I'm from Canada, Alberta, Calgary.
Adam, and I'm from Los Angeles.
My name's Terry, and I'm also from Calgary, Alberta, Canada.
Aiden from Phoenix.
Phoenix guy. How you feeling after this loss?
Not that great.
Build up any pressure here on you guys. But in this show, the Canadians have done very well. We have ran into many Canadians, and they have cleaned us out on the show. So I'm a little worried going into this that you guys are going to nail these, but we'll see. So which organ is affected by hepatitis A? Is it A, the liver, B, the stomach, or C, the bladder?
A? I'm going to guess the liver.
Yeah, I'll go with the same.
Liver.
A liver.
Correct. Hepatitis A is a virus that attacks the liver and in serious cases can cause liver failure. It's uncommon in the U.S. because it's usually caused by contaminated drinking water, and luckily there's a highly effective vaccine for it. You a vaccine guy or you an anti-vaxxer?
I'm a vaccine guy.
Cortisol hormone is produced in which gland? Is it A, thyroid, B, adrenal, or C, pituitary?
I have no idea.
Read the question again. Cortisol?
B. Adrenal.
I'm going to say B. I don't remember even what the word was.
Adrenal? What do you want to go with?
Your guess is as good as mine on this one.
I hope my Bio 30 class paid off.
Okay.
Bio 30 class did pay off. 2 for 2. Nailed it. Adrenal, that's right. You got lucky. Cortisol is a steroid and stress hormone in humans as well as many other vertebrate animals. It helps the fight or flight response as well as counteracting low blood sugar by triggering the liver to produce more. The adrenal gland produces most steroid hormones in humans, including testosterone. All right, this is for all the marbles. Who is considered the father of medicine? Is it A, Socrates, B, Aristotle, or C, Hippocrates?
Hippocrates or Hippocrates, whatever, yeah.
Hippocrates.
3 for 3! 3 for 3! You nailed it! You guys.
Hippocratic Oath is what all doctors have to take. Do no harm.
Say that one more time.
The Hippocratic Oath is what all doctors have to take. It's do no harm.
Nailed it. That's a little fun fact I have on my sheet.
Oh, really? All right.
And I had no idea.
I'm glad you had that.
You guys are a great team. Here goes.
Wow. Cool, guys. Thank you.
Do ya?
Perfect. And
Great.
the museum was closed, so we came anyways to see what was going on, and you guys happened to bump into us.
Hi, I'm Aiden, and I just beat the Street Smarts Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
I'm Adam, and I just beat the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
For the Street Smart teams at Dherbs, thanks kindly for, and we beat Street Smarts.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.